Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into OneNote with your Microsoft account so your notes sync across devices. Once signed in, create a new notebook and give it a clear, specific name. This helps you find it quickly. Then add a few sections as major categories and create initial pages that act as chapter starters. These first steps set structure and prevent chaos later. Make sure to enable sync and choose where the notebook is stored, personal OneDrive or a work account, so your content is available everywhere. Next, capture content using the tools OneNote provides. Type text, handwrite or draw with a stylus, insert images, and record audio for meetings. Once you have material, organize it by applying tags like to do or important, and use color coding for sections to visually separate topics. Use page templates for consistent layouts and drag pages between sections when priorities change. Also, take advantage of the search bar to find a keyword instantly, which saves time when your notebook grows large. To finish, share the notebook or a single page with collaborators, setting view or edit permissions as required. Make sure the notebook is fully synced before relying on others to see changes. Check the sync status icon and force a manual sync if needed. If syncing or sharing fails, sign out and sign back in, verify OneDrive storage space, and update the OneNote app. One key troubleshooting tip: clear a small notebook copy and resync rather than deleting the entire notebook, which prevents accidental data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.